how ATC schemes can help you in building long-term wealth. Hi friends, Angel Broking के इस पॉडकास्ट में आपका स्वागत है. Good tax planning can be a crucial move in your journey to building wealth in the long run. On the other hand, अगर आपने अपनी earnings और taxes पर ध्यान नहीं दिया है, तो they can be a major hurdle in building a corpus of wealth in the long run. But there are a number of provisions in the Indian Income Tax Act that can help you save your hard-earned money from being taxed at hefty rates. But before we explore these strategies, check out Shivam's story. Shivam earns a modest amount of money from trading in the stock market. Lekin his money didn't last, and more importantly, fiscal year ke end mein he ends up paying a good chunk of his earnings in the form of taxes. Actually, Shivam loves to spend money. He buys a lot of gadgets, and because he lives away from home, he likes to either dine out or order food online. Because of these reasons, he's struggling to build a good financial plan. He manages to save money in his bank account, but tax payments ke cycles mein all his savings are impacted. So Shivam is fed up of paying so much money to taxes when he manages to save only enough to be able to file his tax returns every year. Sounds quite troublesome, right? But the reality is that in India, many young investors are unable to see the problem because of the absence of a solid tax plan. The truth is that financial planning and tax planning are very closely related because they are almost two sides of the same coin. And more importantly, tax planning, saving और wealth building can go hand in hand. तो क्या आप जानते हो how you can save your hard-earned money from getting taxed? नहीं, let's dive right into it. वैसे तो Indian Income Tax Act of 1961 has a number of provisions that determine how your money will get taxed under various circumstances. Section 80C must be explored by young people who embark on that tax planning journey. Indian Income Tax Act के Section 80C में you can find a number of elegant and efficient ways to save your earnings from taxes. Here are 5 ways in which 80C can help you save taxes and ultimately build wealth in the long run. सबसे पहले number 1, invest in ELSS. ELSS या फिर Equity Linked Saving Schemes are one of the smartest ways to not only save taxes but they also serve as great investment vehicles. Equity linked saving schemes में lock-in period केवल 3 साल का होता है and as the name suggests, these schemes are linked to equity-based instruments because of which the returns on these are relatively higher than what you get on FDs. Although इन पर जो earned interest है is partially taxable, ELSS can help you save 1.5 lakhs of your invested money from getting taxed under Section 80C. दूसरा है number 2 which is invest in PPF. PPF stands for Public Provident Fund. PPFs are one of the most popular ways to save money under Section 80C of the Indian Income Tax Act. PPFs per the interest rate averages around 8% currently, which is higher than what you get on most FDs. PPF अकाउंट कोई भी सैलरीड या नॉन सैलरीड इंडिविजुअल्स स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इनका मिनिमम लॉक इन पीरियड इज अराउंड 15 years. आप इस टेन्योर को एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हो बाय अ पीरियड ऑफ 7 years. The good news, however, is that PPF accounts पर आपको जो इंटरेस्ट अर्न होता है that is tax free too and you can make partial withdrawals 7 years after the start date. काफी कूल है ना? इसी के साथ चलते हैं नंबर 3 पे which is investments in NPS. NPS stands for the National Pension System. Under Section 80C, investments of up to 1.5 lakh rupees towards NPS are eligible for tax deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. NPS per the interest rates vary between 12 and 14%. Wow, isn't it cool? But the only catch is that you can start making partial withdrawals under the scheme only after 15 years and wo bhi under special circumstances. Anyone aged between the age of 18 and 60 can start making investments under the NPS scheme. The good thing is that investments made towards NPS scheme have no upper limit and you can invest as much as you want, but only up to 1.5 lakhs can be claimed for deductions. दोस्तों, these are just a few ways in which you can save taxes under 80C of the Income Tax Act. But 80C also has other provisions. For starters, even if you invest up to 1.5 lakh rupees in a year in an FD with a minimum lock-in of 5 years, you can claim those funds for deduction. Same goes for ULIPs, repayment of loans or residential properties and even payments made towards your children's tuition fee. दोस्तों, इस पॉडकास्ट में आप एक बात तो जरूर समझ गए होंगे. Tax planning and financial planning actually are two sides of the same coin. So which scheme sounds most appealing to you out of all the provisions under 80C? If you're looking to know more about tax saving schemes and investment options, you can find a wealth of material on www.angelbroking.com. तो दोस्तों, आज के पॉडकास्ट में इतना ही. मिलेंगे हम इन द नेक्स्ट वन. अंटिल देन, गुड बाय फ्रॉम एंजल ब्रोकिंग एंड हैप्पी इन्वेस्टिंग.